So over here on my timeline, you can see that I have some video clips and I have some audio clips, and they are in a certain size. If you want to go ahead and change their size, then what you can do is you can go around over here under the tracks right here under editor, and here you can see the hamburger icon. And once you click on it, you see the option video size, audio size, and preview mode. For example, if I were to go to video size and select small, then immediately you can see that the size of the video is changed out. You don't see the preview here anymore though, because of the size right here. And over here you can select medium, which does show the preview of the video clips as you can see right here. Similarly, you can also go around and make it extra large. So over here you can see that you don't see any preview yet because it is still loading. And over here, same goes for the audio as well. You can make it extra large, or you can go around and make it small right here. You can choose the size of the clip as you like. So for the preview, you can see that you are getting to see a preview of what the video has right here. So you can see that there's this hot little rocks right here, and there's this woman right here, there's people walking. You know that those are the videos by looking at the preview, but it does actually slow down the process of editing, and you may want to turn that off as well. In that case, you can go around onto preview mode and then turn it off right here, and you don't see the preview anymore no matter the size of the video clip. Let me just go around and keep it to medium. And what you can do is you can go around onto preview right here and select out full right here, just like this, and you get the preview right here. It does not show the preview right away. It loads out the preview from each of the clip time and again, because it does take a bit of processing time right here. Even for the audio, let's just go around and select medium, and you can see this out right here. So in the video, you can see that there's preview of multiple frames right here, which does take a bit of time to load. What you can also do right here is you can go around onto the hamburger icon and then go to preview mode right here and select start and end. Once you do that, what happens is that not all of the sections of the videos are loaded, but only the start and end, as you can see right here. This gives you enough information to know what the video is about as well, so you can just go around and utilize this as well. And that is how you can go around and change the size of the tracks, and then change around the preview mode of the clips inside of timeline. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.